Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to show you cute mini doll houses. Doll houses are miniature replicas of buildings or houses, often used as a toy for children to play with. Some doll houses even come with furniture and accessories to make them look like real homes. Mini doll houses, also known as miniature doll houses. These are small-scale replicas of houses or buildings. They are typically smaller than traditional doll houses and are often used for display rather than play. These doll houses can be used for home decoration. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe channel if like video for more amazing content.